This is a UVA Law Library Powtoon video on how to use the West Digest books in the library to find cases on a particular legal topic. So West, the company behind Westlaw Next, the legal database you'll use a lot in law school and law practice, has divided the law into 400 plus topic areas, and within those subtopics designated by little key symbols. When West editors get a case decision from a court, they pick out the legal issues they think are decided in the case and use those to categorize the case under their different topics and key numbers. The digest volumes list cases by topics and key numbers, so they're useful to you as a legal researcher because they give you a way to find cases that are about a particular legal topic that you're researching. Let's get started. Let's say you're representing a North Carolina client whose pet dog has bitten her neighbor. The legal issue you're researching is whether or not the neighbor can sue your client for injuries caused by the dog bite. First thing you do is brainstorm some keywords related to your legal issue. Now you take your keywords and go to the descriptive word index volumes that are at the very end of the set of digests that you're using. Here we're using the North Carolina digests. Descriptive word index is arranged alphabetically, so we look up the keyword dogs. We see under the descriptive word index entry for dogs a listing of a bunch of legal issues related to dogs. Here's one that looks on point for us: injuries caused by dog. Take a little bit of time to browse the other legal topics listed under your keywords, because they may trigger you to think about some legal issues that you hadn't thought of when you brainstormed on your own. So the information that we're getting here in the descriptive word index under dogs is a translation of our keyword, dogs, into West topic and key numbered language. It's telling us to look under the West topic animals, key symbols 53 and 68, to find listings of cases that are about injuries caused by dogs. So now we go to the digest volume that's going to contain the topic animals, key numbers 53 and 68. This is volume 1A. It's helpful to start by flipping to the very beginning of a topic in the digest volumes to see the table of contents. Browsing the table of contents again can alert you to legal issues that you maybe didn't think about when you were brainstorming on your own. So we flip under the topic animals to key number 53. And what is this information? Well, we're getting short descriptions written by West editors of legal issues decided in this case. We're also getting party names for cases and citations to go and look up the full text of the case decisions in the reporter volumes. These are cases about injuries caused by dogs. Now we're ready to go. Oh wait. So the hardbound volumes of these digests are updated with softcover pocket parts. Flip to the back of the hardbound digest volume to see if there's a pocket part, because that's where you'll find the most recent cases. Also check on the shelf behind the hardbound volume to see if there's a separate softcover pocket part. Now that you've checked for pocket parts, you're ready to go. Take your citations of cases about injuries caused by dogs to the reporters. So the citation is telling you the party names to a case, the reporter name, here the Southeastern Reporter, second series, the volume within that reporter series, so volume 176, and the page number where we're going to find the full text of our case, page 161. The information in parentheses is the court that decided the case, here the North Carolina Supreme Court. Check your blue book to see what these abbreviations stand for. We're also getting the year that the opinion was decided, 1970. So I take this citation to the reporter volumes, pull off volume number 176, open it to page 161, and here I see my case. Right after the parties' names, I'm getting this series of topics and key numbers, which we saw in the digest volumes. And I'm also getting these little short summaries of legal issues decided in the case. Remember that these Short summaries are by West editors, so you want to flip past them to the full text of the court's actual opinion and read that for yourself so that you know what the court decided.